Our project is recognizing street view images in CHK. In the last semester, we investigate the basic knowledge of deep learning technology. Deep learning technology is a branch of machine learning. In this semester, we are going to use the deep learning technology to build the CHK street view images dataset. Also, we are going to build model in order to recognize the street view images in CHK. In our project, we mainly use the SIGNET model. SIGNET model is a deep, fully convolutional neural network architecture for semantic pixel-wise segmentation. SIGNET architecture consists of encoders, which are nonlinear processing layers, and decoders, which are followed by pixel-wise classifier. And the detailed structure is that the SIGNET model first undergoes the convolutional layers with batch normalization and RU layers. After that, it undergoes a max pooling, which is important to upsample the feature map, which has low resolution. Finally, it undergoes a softmax function. And we choose to use the dataset is the CAMVID dataset, which contains around 400 row scenes. In the dataset, the RGB image size are 360 times 480. And then after that, we use this dataset to apply in our model to train our model. We modify the model file and the data input source line in the data layers in order to set up our training. The dataset isn't large, therefore it didn't take a long time to train the model. We took around 7 to 8 hours to train it.
In this part, I'm going to talk about the results we have done this semester. First, we have built a CHK dataset for our FOP project. We have taken around 200 images in CHK, and these images is mainly focused on roads and buildings. And the reason why the images is focusing on roads and buildings because the CAMVID dataset is the street view of the European countries, and we are mainly focusing roads and buildings and make it more similar to this dataset. And here comes to the thumbnails of our dataset and an example of image of our dataset. And the next part is the labels for our SIGNET model. The labels is very important for our SIGNET model because it's used to test the accuracy of our SIGNET model and used to train. And there are 11 classes of the SIGNET model. And the last one, at the bottom one, is the unlabel. And this label is used to recognize the useless information and ignore it. Therefore, these labels we will not count into the accuracy. And here are some examples of the labels we have labeled. And we can see the road here and the sky here and buildings here. And this two image example is labeled by us manually. And the next part is the testing result. We can see the original image here. And next to it is the prediction image. And next to the prediction image is the ground truth image, which is labeled by us. And we can see the prediction image here compared to the ground truth image. We can see most of the classes can be recognized, but some maybe have some errors. And here is the overlapping image of the prediction image and the original image. We can see different classes here to be recognized. And this is the end of our presentation. Thank you.